Hi, welcome to In the Library. I'm Bill. Have you ever wanted to try your hand at being a local, national, or even international tour guide? Not sure where to start? Well, I've got a book for you. Today, we're going to take a look at Greater Than a Tourist 50 Tips to Build, Launch, and Succeed as a Local Tour Guide by Leah F. Gorman. Let me first begin by explaining why I have a printed out paper copy. It is because I was honored enough to get an advance copy of the book. Here's the official cover from Amazon, which is available now. The book, written by an actual experienced tour guide, is exactly what the title suggests: 50 tips to get your tour guide career going, divided into various categories such as safety, taking care of yourself, taking care of your guests, and even a section on what to do if you have to be the bus driver at the same time as being the tour guide. Hey there, folks. Editor Bill here. Just a friendly reminder that we have merch, and if you want behind the scenes or more content, we also have a Patreon. Check out these QR codes right here or the links in the description. And now, back to the show. Based on personal stories from her own tour guide career, Gorman gives us tips and tricks in very readable, relatable, bite sized bits. I've never been a tour guide, but as a consumer of tours, there are things I've never thought about, things that tour guides do have to think about. For instance, rules of the road that disallow drivers from driving more than a certain number of hours a day. This might make things interesting when your guide is also your driver. Another section of the book discusses how to learn from other guides, and they can learn from you. Even when two guides do the same tour, for example, each of them has their own experience with the area, their own expertise with content that might come up on the tour. This book teaches you how to take advantage of your colleagues' experience and how you can teach them yours. As I start to bring this tour of the book to an end, it should be noted that the book does not contain any specific scripts or things to say. That has to be based on your own experiences, knowledge, and where the tour is located. It's also, at least in the advanced copy, missing a resources section for further reading or help where to get started on licensing or tour guide classes. That being said, it is an easy, fast read and is an excellent start on how to get a brand new tour guide career and business up and running. So that's all for this time. If you like what we do here, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what your favorite tour that you've been on while on vacation. Check out the links for Patreon and merch and this book in the description. Thank you for watching, and as always, please keep on reading. We'll see you next time.